Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your EngageBay CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Google contacts to your EngageBay CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Google contacts to your EngageBay CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to keep a list. And by connecting your Google contacts to EngageBay CRM, they can share information between the two, so you can always keep your contact list up to date. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your EngageBay CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my EngageBay CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link or connect your Google contacts, make sure you're in the sales section of your EngageBay. Once you're here, in order to link your Google contacts, you want to click on your profile icon here on the top right. Once you click there, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on Preferences. Okay, once you click on Preferences, you're going to see a drop-down menu here on the left, and you want to click on this button here called Sync. All right, once you click there, you're going to see all these different options, but you want to scroll through until you see the Google logo that says Contacts Sync right here, and click on Enable. Okay, next, Google's going to open up a browser, and you want to choose which Google contacts list you want to connect to your EngageBay. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, next, Google lets you know they're going to share this information with your EngageBay. If you're okay with that, click on Continue. All right, next, you want to go ahead and choose the permissions you want to give EngageBay, and then click on Continue. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. You can see the sync is in progress. You're also going to see a green check mark next to the Google logo, and you want to be sure to check on settings right here in blue. Okay, so here in the settings, you get to choose how often you want to sync your contacts with your EngageBay CRM. So for the default, they set it up as only once. So they're automatically going to sync the contacts. You can choose to have this updated weekly or monthly if you wish to do so. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Google contacts to your EngageBay CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.